Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Instagram app on any mobile device. In this case I'm using iPhone, so you're going to use the App Store, but if you're using Android, go over to the Google Play Store. As I said, I'm using iPhone, so it's this blue button in the center of my home screen, right there. From there, go down to the bottom right, the search page, and start typing in Instagram. Press search. And then I always skip past the first advertisement, go to the first organic listing. It should be the Instagram app, this sort of purple icon right here. And then on the right hand side, it's got a sort of cloud icon in blue with a downwards pointing arrow, or if it says GET, a button that says get, either way, press that, and then that will start downloading the app on your device. And so there we go guys, Instagram has downloaded, and from within the App Store, press the open button right here and that will launch the app. And so there we go guys, we have successfully downloaded and installed the Instagram app on this device. As you can see here, it gives us a couple of different accounts that we can log into that we've already logged into in the past on this device. You can press the button below that says log into another account, or you can press create new account and you'll have to submit all of your data, your mobile number, email address, password, all of these things. But yes guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.